Hey gorgeous, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is really gonna be like just a check-in with self-care, because I've always been a person that's like pro self-care, like super pro self-care, and I'm not really sure what I want to do with this hair, so bear with me. I am just in the midst of like trying on so many different wigs, y'all. Today's video is sponsored by my friends over at Melody Susie, so I just want to throw that out there right now. And even though this is a sponsored video, I'm giving y'all real tea and also just sharing some things that I've been doing, you know, just to like take care of myself in the midst of all of this craziness. Let me just say, before I get into showing you guys some things that I've been using, that I think self-care is so important. The reality is, if you don't do it for you, nobody is gonna do it. I don't care if you got a sugar daddy, I don't care your husband, your wife, nobody's gonna take care of you like you take care of you. No one's in your body to know what you're feeling, what you need. That is just what it is. So when Melody Susie contacted me about their new product, which is skincare related, I was super excited, but also a little hesitant because, again, when it comes to skin, like, I gotta be careful, okay? Like, you know, I ain't trying to have nothing mess with this glow. I have talked about them before on my Instagram because throughout this pandemic, that's when I discovered them, when I couldn't get to the nail salon and I needed a nail drill and the, thing called, oh, the UV lamp. I can't even, I had to look at myself over here to be like UV lamp. But yeah, so I use that and it's still 10 out of 10, really 11 out of 10. So I was more than happy to review this product right here. This is their silicone facial cleansing massager, and this is the user manual. Now, I know it looks super clean, it maybe looks like it hasn't been used, but I do take care of my stuff really well. I've used this 5 times over a period of 2 days, and I'm telling you right now, this is it. It will not affect your skin. I have super sensitive skin, so I used it 2 days, and then the 5th time is this morning, so I'll use it again tonight. But what I really like about this is that it's just so compact. So excuse my nails, I will paint them later, but like when you hold it, you literally, each finger has a place to kind of just hold on to. This can get in the nooks and the crannies, especially when I take off my makeup at night. And yes, I use my makeup wipe and all of that, but like I like to use this in the shower. That's actually the only place I've been using it. So it's a cleansing and massager in one, and it has these settings on the side. So on the side there is this one, which you can hold and turn on, and that is your heat. Then you've got down here, you press and turn it on, that's your vibration. So there's multiple different settings just depending on how you want to intensify your facial massage. You can just keep going, you can take it down, you can go up. I like to have it on the highest one, because if we're gonna do anything to this face, like, let's get in there and let's not play any games. So the holder is really nice because in the shower I just stick it in the shower caddy, but you can also like leave this at your sink. I mean, I'm all for pink, I'm all for cute. I'm also for products that really work. I have to say that I love everything that I've received from Melody Susie, because it's a brand that actually takes time to put effort into their products. Like, they've been around for 11 years, y'all. 11 years, okay? Like, that's a really long time. So I think when your brand has been around for so long, you're really able to do trial and error and see what works. And they are known for their nail drills, and they're super popular. Go check out their website. They are having their 11th anniversary sale, which goes through, I believe it's October 7th. Let me double check. Let's see. Yeah, so their 11th anniversary sale ends on October 7th. Oh, and the other thing that they did tell me is that the product prices of this anniversary celebration will be the lowest the whole year. So if you're thinking about early Christmas presents or birthday presents, then Melody Susie. So with that being said, I want to show y'all something that I came across the other day when I was on the Bath & Body Works website. That is the Hot Spring Spa from the aromatherapy line. Y'all, I got this, the body and shower gel or bath gel or whatever, and then I also got the lotion. After a long day, this right here, it's everything. It is just so soothing, so relaxing, and it's made with eucalyptus, lemon, and cedar wood. So of course, You guys know I'm very into essential oils. I've told you that in a couple of videos ago. I talked about my whole essential oil routine. If you are into oils or you want me to show you like the mixes and things like that, then let me know, comment down below. So I do have to get going because I have errands to run, but I just realized I'm super hungry. So last night I made some Thai red curry soup. It was bomb. If you follow me on Instagram, you know all about the vibe. And I actually want to have leftovers, so I don't know if you guys even care to go have lunch with me, but I'm just gonna take you guys along, so let's go. This is literally all I have left over from last night. You guys, it was so freaking good. Like, you can't even just, let me just pour it in the pot, because once I do that, you'll be able to really see. So you can see the limes here. It's pretty spicy, and you'll see some noodles are left over in it because again we had this with soup, so we both had like leftover Thai curry brothy stuff, so I was like I'm saving that. So the limes I'm just like squeezing down, and then I had some leftover rice from 2 nights ago. Yummy. Ta-da! So I just put this with rice, and honestly, like, this just looks so good. So I can't wait to try it. It was really, really good with the noodles last night, but I want to see how this tastes now. Babe, you gotta try this. For those of you who love food, who love to cook, I am starting a new cooking Instagram. Beauty of the Kitchen. There will be videos, there will be recipes. We're gonna do it big, or we're gonna go home. And I'm already home, so might as well do it big. So that information will be down below. Thank you guys so much for rocking with me, and be sure to check out all of those self-care items that I shared with you guys. So in the meantime, in between time, until you guys see me again, make sure you continue to stay beautiful. Let your light shine. Let nothing or no one stop you from growing, glowing, and let nobody stop you from painting your nails. That's what I'm gonna go do now. All right, love you guys.